All right, guys, I just wanted to show you today the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. That's this guy right here. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, how to use it and set it up, and I'm also going to show you a cleaning demo to show you how well it works. All right, so you may be wondering why you would need a mattress vacuum cleaner. Well, for one thing, you don't want to be using your regular floor vacuum on your bed. It's probably just going to make it even dirtier, actually. But this is also nice because it does have this wide base, so instead of using those floor attachments, it's going to help you cover a lot of more area more quickly. This in particular as well, compared to other vacuum cleaners, is wireless. Most others are corded, but this one you just charge with this included USB-C right at the bottom there, and then you'll be able to just use it without the cord. So pretty cool. Okay, so the basic operation is very simple. There's literally just one button that you would press. That's gonna be the power button, but also the mode. So once you turn it on, it's gonna start off on low power, click it once again, and it'll go into high power mode. Now, the reason why you would want that lower power mode is that it's gonna allow you to be able to vacuum, say, the sheets without it pulling and tugging on the cloth. And then you would, of course, switch over to the high power mode to clean the actual mattress itself. All right, once you're done cleaning, you can maintain this thing very easily. The dust compartment is right here. You just twist it to take it off, and then twist the bottom end to be able to open it up like that. And then you can just go ahead and wash that out and replace it. Same idea with the filter compartment. You just twist it to open it, and then you can actually twist this open. Same idea here. You can take out the filter at the top there and wash that out, but there's also a filter inside that you would also twist to take out. So both those you can just wash. That way you don't have to be replacing it all the time. With that said, there is a second filter in the package once you are ready to replace it. And then finally you have your brush roll down here, and you can take the brush roll out just by twisting on the two coin slots there. And as you can see, the brush roll is anti-tangle. So that's gonna work in conjunction with the suction to really help clean up your mattress. Now, obviously that suctioning is gonna be the main feature of the cleaner, but it also works with three other features. So there's actually a UVC light, you'll see the strip right here, that's gonna be shooting down into the mattress. That's gonna work in conjunction with the ultrasonic waves that's gonna come out of this hole right here. That's high frequency waves that's gonna help break down microorganisms. That UVC light is gonna then destroy those organisms. And then one final feature is the heater component down here. So that's gonna be shooting out hot air as you're vacuuming. That not only breaks down the microorganisms further, but it's also gonna help dry up any sort of humidity that may have entered the mattress. That way it prevents mold from forming. All right, guys, so those are the basic features. Let's test this thing out on the mattress now and show you how well it works. All right, guys, here's my mattress. Now, I do consider myself a very clean person. I'm one of those weirdos that showers every night before bed. But let's see what this thing can pick up that's not visible to the naked eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out on high power mode. This is incredibly revealing, so as you can see there, hopefully you can see it, but that is all the gunk that got picked up. Oof, wow. Okay, that was a mistake, but there you go. So if that's not enough to convince you to pick up one of these, definitely check this thing out today. Super powerful, it's cordless, and super effective. That's all the stuff that's hiding in your mattress, so be sure to clean that stuff up. All right, that was the JPHYLL Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Hope that helps you decide whether this will be right for you today, but definitely check it out.